Yo, who this? Me win what? $1 million from where? America? Brother, I never go America before.
What type of plane is
How this really?
this is plane?
Let me tell you this. My born tonight, my name born last night, here? You see? What you say? Me if you send you my bank information, my social security number, my granny blood test for one prize. You could have fooled me.
Boy, you have ambition, me I forget that.
What you say? Me win. Alright, since that's me win, tell the money say if you walk from America, come knock on me gate. As a matter of fact, you can't take boat. Put it on a boat, then come and give me. Vex? Yeah, talk about Vex. Bro, you know say I wrong, she back up on the morning. You know see me a Jamaican. Brother, let me tell you this. You see last man me just on the phone, yeah? A 10 goat nose and 3 donkey. 10 goat and 3 donkey. I know me can't see my cousin. Me like your style. You're persistent. But guess what? Me think say you shoulda go sell some lotion or some insurance. Or even do something legal. You hear? As a matter of fact, me I tell you this. Don't call back this phone. I have an auntie work up a Moko. And she loves scammer. She loves trapping scammer them more. She loves even bun and cheese. So if I call back this phone, you know what I'm going. $1 million. Boy, you catch me, no? What a good thing about now Westmoreland, not Disneyland. I think something like that, you know, Jamaican town.